Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, here we have a Revolve 810G3 system to put in a laptop screen cover. Alright, you can see the way we are doing it. Alright, this 810G3 Revolve is a laptop that is rotating 180. Okay, and it's a touchscreen laptop. It has an 8GB RAM, then it has a 256 SSD. Okay, all right, it's very portable and is friendly user. You can use it for any tasks, online tasks, and much more. A design, Revit, just the screen size is small if you want to do design. For those that want a big screen, okay, then good news is the one applying this sticker. All right, you can see the way he's doing it. All right, he's burning each of those edges, then after that he's going to cut them off. You can see each of those lines are the same while using your sharp object like razor, or you use a needle. You can use a needle to do that also, but when it comes to the cutting, you must use a razor to do that. Okay, so after this is going to cut each of those edges down. You can see you can cut each of those edges down. The one thing you should observe is that when you are dealing with systems that are like this 12-inch systems, you are going to cut a lot of parts of the materials of the plain sticker out. Okay, and you must know how you manage it very well so that you don't misuse it or you spoil it off. Okay, now, and you can see the way he's carving each of those edges. All right, on this other one we are not going to carve out the HP logo out. We just want to leave it that way plain, and it is going to look nice on that. Okay, so the client doesn't want us to cut out carve out the HP logo out. He just wants it plain like that. All right, so you can see how he's doing it, and he's doing it perfectly. I love this. He's doing it very well, perfectly. He has been so perfect on this, doing a laptop skin very well. All right, then after this, the edges are very important. Each of those edges, the end point edges, are very important, and which he's doing now, he's going to cut them off using the razor, or you can use a very good sharp object. As I said, a needle, a razor, and a lighter or a hot gun can actually do this job for you very well. Okay, so after he's done doing that, I believe he's done, because we will not carve out the logo, but carving out the logo is not the problem. He can do that, it's just that the client doesn't want that. All right, if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends, to your loved one, to those that will need it, to those that will subscribe. Please do well to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate everyone that has been subscribing. I have 2,300 subscribers now, and I'm grateful for your effort, for your support you have been putting. Thank you for those that have been sharing my videos. All right, and please, anywhere you see the drivers of Chromebooks that have not been posting, you can actually draw my attention by dropping a message on the comment section. Okay, if the driver is not available, I will tell you it's not. If it is, I'll definitely have to put it back to my channel where you can see and then get access to it. All right, okay, after cutting out all these edges, as you are seeing, okay, you can see the laptop, it can rotate 180 the way he's handling it. All right, it's nice and it's clean. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.